In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online, a skill that can streamline your financial management and ensure all your relevant files are organized in one place. To begin with, once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you'll want to locate the New button situated at the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking this button is your gateway to creating various transaction types, ranging from invoices to bills. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with your options. Once you've clicked New, it's time to select the specific type of transaction you need to document. The options here will depend on your business's needs. Perhaps you're logging an expense, creating an invoice, or documenting a payment. After choosing your transaction type, the screen will refresh to display a form where you'll need to enter the necessary details. Here, you'll fill in every critical aspect of your transaction, from dates and amounts to any pertinent customer or supplier information. Detail is key, so ensure all fields are accurately completed to maintain consistency and reliability in your records. Once this foundation is laid, you're ready for the next step. At the bottom of this transaction entry screen, there's a section labeled Attachments. This is where you can enhance your transaction by including supporting documents. Look for the Add Attachment link within this section. Clicking on this link will trigger a window that allows you to select files from your device. Whether it's a scanned receipt, a PDF invoice, or any relevant file, this is where you can connect the document directly to your transaction. Go ahead and click Add Attachment. You'll see a File Explorer pop up, letting you navigate your computer or device to locate the document you plan to upload. Once you've found the appropriate file, click to select it, and then choose Open or Upload, depending on your system prompts. Now, with your attachment successfully uploaded, you'll see it listed beneath the Attachment section on the transaction. This is your visual confirmation that the document is securely linked with your financial record, ensuring you have all the necessary documentation in place should you need to review or share it in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, attaching documents to your transactions in QuickBooks Online becomes a seamless part of your workflow. Now you're equipped to keep your financials neat and comprehensive, enhancing both your record keeping and readiness for audits or internal reviews. As you continue to utilize this feature, you'll find it an invaluable part of your financial management toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!